stomach, white cold stomach. You need tongs. Yeah, hold on. On there. We just toasted our buns lightly in the toaster, just ever so lightly, not too much. And then we got a mixture of salads here. We're going to use some of our leftover slaw from the tortilla wrap and some lovely mesclun. We'll put some mayo on the bottom. Now we're just going to load those with probably a chicken thigh each on each burger. About right. Load it up, load it up. Now you could put some cheese on here or tomato, but I like to use things that match more, so I always use a bit of avocado. But like I said, you can use whatever you want. You could fry some bacon, chuck it on top to match. Going to put some mayo on those tops?
No.
Yeah.
Don't see me name.
Mayo.
Mayo.
Put a little bit of mayo on top, just to keep everything held together nicely. Yeah. Hang on. Yeah, good to go.